All right, so I'm coming to you today to teach you how to almost get makeup for free. I mean, like virtually free. So thanks to YouTube, I have learned a new skill. This I have learned from Nicole Burgess. I've seen her on here. I follow her now. And you guys, if you don't know who she is, go follow her. She is like this coupon queen. And I'll confess that up until about 2 weeks ago, I had probably used a coupon maybe twice in my whole life. I just never paid attention. And in fact, in my pantry right now, I was noticing the other day that I've got cleaning products that still had like the instant coupon stuck on the bottle. So that's how bad I was with couponing. But I'm a photographer, and so as I edit, I just turn on my extra monitor and I just let YouTube videos scroll. And one that just popped up was one by Nicole, and she was talking about getting this L'Oreal clay mask for $1.88. And I did it, y'all. I did it. Okay, I've never done couponing before in my life, but I got this for $1.88, and I'm about to tell you how to do it. So just stay tuned, and if you're interested in learning how to get this, and basically this for free, and this for free, and I haven't even gone shopping. Tomorrow I'm going shopping. I'm getting more stuff. So if you're interested in getting all this kind of stuff, let's see, can you see it? All this stuff for less than $5, stay tuned and I'll tell you how I did it. Alright, so what I did is this one is regularly $5.88. I've not tried this yet. This is a Detox and Brighten clay mask, and it looks like it's gonna, well, it is. It's gonna be charcoal. I have to smell it to see if it's gonna be any good. It's kind of a grayish. Oh, it smells really good. I thought it was gonna smell like dirt, y'all. I really did. Okay, so it doesn't smell like dirt. It smells really good. Don't know how they did that. But it's $5.88 at Walmart. And so what you have to do, it takes a little bit of prep work to do this the correct way, but you can go to coupons.com and you print off a coupon. So there are other ones. The one that I used said that it was like a facial scrub, and so it worked for this. So go print this off, go look for it. The thing about coupons.com, and I'm like brand new, so y'all just kind of, if I'm wrong, then I'm sorry. But coupons.com, from what I understand, you go there and like every week, I think, or maybe every couple of days, I'm not really sure, but at least check it once a week. They update and put out their new coupons. I'm assuming like on Sundays, because that's what I'm learning from Nicole, is that on Sundays in your newspaper, there are the inserts that have coupons in those. So check those for makeup coupons. So that's a good starting point. And then you can go to coupons.com, and on Sundays, I think is when they add their new coupons. And so you want to get those as fast as possible. And I think the reason why is because the popular things, which I would assume like L'Oreal, those are gonna go fast. And so I think they have allotted like so many, and once those are all printed, then they're gone. So if it's not still there, I apologize. I'm sorry. I've been super busy with all my shoots lately, and I haven't gotten to upload as fast as I wanted. But let's see, when did I buy this? This was last week. So you probably can still find that deal, but just go to, if you can't, then there's still great deals that you can get. This was just the one that I did. I used the coupon that I printed from coupons.com. Now this one, I just changed my ink cartridge. Can y'all even see that? Maybe. Okay, so this one, I just changed my ink cartridge and I printed it in color, but you don't even have to do that. So you print these off. They print on a full-size sheet, and then you just cut them apart and take them to Walmart, and they work. You can use them at Target, CVS, Walmart, I said Walmart, didn't I? Walgreens, you can use it at all those places. So then, what I got was, I had a $2 off coupon. This was $5.88. So now that makes it $3.88. So I was excited about that. I thought that I had done really good for $3.88, but I saved even more money. There is an app called, let me open it up. Okay, this app right here, and my phone is gonna freeze. This app is called Ibotta, Ibotta, I'll put a link down below directly to Ibotta, and if you sign up, I think there's a code that they're going to give me. I'll put that there if I can find it. That if you sign up, you get $10 immediately cash back. Even if you never do anything other than just do it one time, you get 10 bucks. So you're doing good anyway. I purchased this from Walmart. So you go through, and it just so happened that they had a $2 Ibotta cash back if you purchased a L'Oreal face product. So I was like, well, let's try that out and see if it worked, because Nicole said it would. And I ended up getting this for $1.88. So the way that Ibotta works, and I'm not an expert, I'm just telling you what I did. The way that Ibotta works is you sign up, and then you can pick which store, like Target or Walmart or wherever. We don't really care about the news about Trump right now. Anyway, okay, so you download this, then you pick your store that you're going to, and I think there's like new offers every week. So you just, if you see something that you might purchase or that you have purchased, I think you have like a 7-day window. I'm not an expert on that, but here's something that I really like. This is L'Oreal Paris, their shampoo. Well, you didn't see anything. Really? My phone is so slow. I need a new one. Okay, so here's our offer. Focus. This is the shampoo. I know y'all have seen that before. I love the way this stuff smells. Is great. And right now, if you buy, so it says any of that hair care, offer valid on L'Oreal Paris hair care for any variety, select sizes. Offer not valid on the trial size product. So if you buy the full size, actually I probably have some of that in my stash in there. But right now, if you buy that, then you get $2 back on that L'Oreal shampoo, which is something that I would have bought anyway. Can y'all see those? All those, there's like the masks and then the conditioners. So there you go. Once you add it, you have to do it within 7 days of buying the product. So that could be before or after. It kind of gives you a window and tells you have to have purchased it between July the 9th and July the, what is 7 days from that? So what you do is you check the product that you've bought, and then you take your receipt and, okay, we get it. All right, so you take your receipt, and then you're just gonna scan this receipt in, and it says sending receipt, and then it'll pop up and it'll say you're getting $2 cash back. It is the coolest thing. It's so easy to do. So I did it with this, got this for $1.88 because I combined Ibotta with the coupons.com. And so do that, $1.88. I can't believe it, $1.88. Okay, so then I did even better than that. So the brand new CoverGirl, the True Blend, the matte one has just come out. I've not tried this yet at all, but I know that this has just come out. Well, they had it at Walmart for $8.42. I was gonna buy it. I was over there looking for this specific one because it's new. And so I went in, found this, and this one I just looked up on y'all. I found this, and I had been on the coupons.com website. Look at this. They have, this one's current. This one expires August the 14th. This one is, you can still get this one. I checked it this morning. This is $1.50 off. I actually did mine last week, and there was one for $3 off. So I know I hate that. Be like, okay, sorry, I got $3 off. You get $1.50 off. But hey, $1.50 off, you can't beat that. So you just go print this out, take this with you to Target or Walmart or wherever you want to buy it from. It has to be the True Blend, the brand new one, or at least this coupon says the True Blend. One CoverGirl product. Oh, no, I'm wrong. I'm totally wrong. This says one CoverGirl product, excludes cheekers, one kit shadows, and the trial travel sizes. So you could get more things than just this True Blend, even though the picture shows the True Blend makeup. And on Ibotta, there was a $3 rebate. So here's what I did. $8.42 for this foundation. I used my $3 coupon from coupons.com. So now we've got $5.42. And then I got a $3 rebate from Ibotta. So that makes this CoverGirl $2.42. I'm so excited. I called my sister and my mom, and I'm like, okay, my birthday's coming up. We are going on a couponing trip. We're buying makeup tomorrow. And they're like thrilled. They're so excited. They're like, yay, people are gonna look at us when we're in line buying things with coupons. But it's really not bad. I mean, if you're not buying a ton of things and you're just trying it on one little thing, even if you don't want to use the coupon, Ibotta is something that you can do in your car by yourself and nobody would know. After you've bought this, you just go take a picture of your receipt and it will send it and you get $3 back anyway. So you can't beat that. And it's not just on makeup, there's all kinds of things. And then the last thing that I have to show you, I bought the wrong thing, but you can buy the right thing. I bought the wrong thing. Let me show you what the right thing is. Right now, there is this coupon that is apparently super valuable. I've seen a lot of people on the YouTube channels talking about this one. It expires the 14th of August. It is $4 off of 2 CoverGirl products. So that's awesome. That's great. 2 CoverGirl products excludes the cheekers, the 1 Kit shadows, and the trial size and accessories. So that still opens up a whole world of possibilities for you. So I had a coupon like this. The one that I had, I haven't used this one yet, and I haven't used the $1.50 yet. So the coupon that I had was a CoverGirl $3 off of a Lash Blast mascara. And so I looked and looked, and it says Lash Blast right there, Lash Blast right there, if you can see it. And so I looked and I found this on the very bottom row. What I should have done, this is how brand new to this I am and how bad at it I was. So I thought I was getting the thing that I had the Ibotta rebate for. Come on. All right, so this is the Lash Blast mascara that has the coconut oil in it. And this is on Ibotta. They have a $2 rebate right now. And I just remembered the green right there and I thought I was buying the right one. I did not. So, case in point, Ibotta only works on the products that they tell you that it will work on. So if I would have bought the right one, then I could have gotten this mascara for $1.25. All right, and so the way that I would have done that is this mascara, and so was the correct one, was $6.24. And I used the coupon that I had gotten last week, $3 off. This is still a great one, so don't be bummed that you don't get the $3 off of the mascara. This is $4 off of 2, anything that you wanted. But if you want to save even more money, make sure to go buy this coconut oil mascara and you get $2 back. So combine coupons.com with the Ibotta app and you can save all kinds of money and you can get like basically free stuff. When I get the little rebates back, I turn around and buy more expensive makeup. So that's my whole goal. Maybe it can be yours too, and just get out there and get to Ibotta and get out there and go to coupons.com and see what you can find. I'm just all pumped about it. So tomorrow, my mom and sister and I were driving about an hour and a half north to where my sister lives, and we are going couponing. Whether they like it or not, we are gonna go, because I have a L'Oreal makeup one, I have the Rock Skincare, save $3 on that, Love Beauty and Planet, the hair care products. I have another L'Oreal hair conditioner. I have all kinds of, oh yeah, and then I have this coupon for the CoverGirl and more. So I am ready. I'm ready tomorrow. Ready to shop till we drop tomorrow, y'all. All right, so if y'all enjoyed this video, if you'll give me a thumbs up and subscribe, hit the bell so that you can be notified when I finally put up another video, that would be great. And y'all have a great afternoon. Bye, guys.